In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card or payment card from your Apple Wallet, specifically if it's linked as a transit card. Whether you're making room for new cards or simply decluttering your digital wallet, I'll guide you through this straightforward process step by step. So let's dive in. First things first, we need to open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. If you're unfamiliar with where to find it, just note that it might be on your home screen or tucked away in a folder. Simply swipe left or right between your apps until you find the familiar wallet icon. Once there, tap on it to launch. Now that the app is open, take a moment to review the cards listed. Here you'll see all the credit, debit and transit cards currently saved in your Apple Wallet. The next step is to select the specific card you want to remove. You might have to scroll depending on how many cards you have, so make sure you're selecting the correct one you wish to delete. Once you've selected the card, the key move is to find and tap the More button. For those wondering, this button is typically located in the top right corner of your screen, represented by a small circle with 3 dots inside it. It's easy to spot once you know where to look. After tapping on that, you'll encounter several options, but your focus should be on scrolling down until you see the option labelled Remove this card. Once found, tap on it to begin the removal process. Now, it's important to emphasize that you'll be prompted to confirm this action. This is a security feature to ensure that cards aren't removed accidentally. Go ahead and double check everything before you confirm. If everything looks good, proceed by tapping the confirm option when it appears, and just like that, you're done. The card has been successfully removed from your Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. It's a simple process, but taking the time to double check each step ensures everything goes smoothly. This guide is designed to be as clear and concise as possible, so hopefully you found it easy to follow. Remember, managing your digital finances efficiently not only helps keep things tidy, but can also be vital for security and convenience. I hope this instructional video has been helpful, and now you can manage your Apple Wallet with even more confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.